Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage sales with Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin managing sales with Salesforce, first, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Sales tab located in the main menu. Create or select an existing lead by clicking on the Leads option. Fill in the necessary fields with information about the lead. Ensure all contact details, such as email and phone number, are accurate. Next, convert the lead into an opportunity by selecting the Convert button. In the conversion window, complete any additional required fields before confirming. Now, go to the Opportunities tab to manage your sales prospects. Click on New Opportunity to create a sales opportunity. Enter relevant data, including opportunity name, stage, and close date. Assign the opportunity to a specific team member or yourself. Track the sales pipeline by updating the opportunity status as it progresses. Utilize the Reports feature to generate analytics on your sales efforts. Go to the Dashboard section to visualize these reports in a more dynamic manner. Use Salesforce's automation tools to create workflows for follow-ups and reminders. Integrate third-party applications if additional functionalities are required. Regularly review your dashboard to assess performance metrics. Lastly, maintain open communication with your team through Salesforce Chatter. This ensures everyone stays informed on progress and any changes made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.